Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the first module of intermediate second year English. Before we get into the topic, let us observe the pictures on the slide. The first picture shows a few students doing their studies in the classroom. They look quite stressed, right? Then you see the second picture. There children are doing different kinds of jobs. In fact, they are under different kinds of child labor. Okay, you see the work they are doing, strenuous and very difficult kind of work which is not at all appropriate for their age, child labor. And the third picture, of course, the most interesting one for me, and then they are enjoying in the rain. In fact, they are dancing in the rain. So which is the picture that attracts you? Out of the three pictures, which picture do you like? I know the answer. That is the children, the picture of the children dancing in the rain. So yes, today's prose which we are going to do is dancing in the rain. Dancing in the Rain was written by Azim Hashim Premji, who was born on 24th July 1945 in Mumbai. He is an Indian business tycoon, investor, engineer and philanthropist. He is the chairman of Wipro Limited. He was responsible for guiding Wipro Limited through 4 decades of diversification and growth to finally emerge as one of the global leaders in the software industry. So he is a business tycoon, and he had played a key role in the establishment of Wipro Limited and also guiding the company for about 4 decades. In 2010, he was voted among the most 20 powerful men in the world by Asia Week. It's kind of magazine, okay? And then he has twice been listed among the 100 most influential people by Time magazine, once in 2004 and more recently in 2011. So basically he's a business tycoon in the sense a magnate, a very eminent business personality, an investor and an engineer. But there is something more than that. That is, he is a great philanthropist. What do you mean by philanthropist? Philanthropist is a person who loves humankind, who loves to help human beings, who indulges in donating for the needy and the poor. So he is one such great personality who has, with his wealth, tried to do a lot of good work for the poor and the needy, especially children. So yes, if we get to know more about him, he was the founder of Azim Premji Foundation. Azim Premji Foundation is a non-profit organization that has been working since 2000 with the elementary education system in rural government schools. The foundation began by implementing various programs to improve educational quality across the country. So what was his major contribution towards education? We can see through this Azim Premji Foundation. He is very keen about children's education across the country. Not only that, he is also the founder of Azim Premji University. Most of you people, when you'll be completing your intermediate second year, you'll be getting to know about this Azim Premji University. There will be an entrance test. So most of you will apply for this test. It's one of the most reputed university in the country. Okay, it was this Azim Premji University was established in 2010 and it's located at Bangalore. At present, the university offers 5 postgraduate courses programs: MA Economics, MA Education, MA Development, MA Public Policy and Governance, and LLM, Law and Development. So these are the very reputed, famous, important courses the university offers. So when you'll be completing your second intermediate, you'll be very eager to apply for this university and get seat. And I hope all of you get seat in this university. Yes, it's one of the greatest universities. So this is what we come to know about Hashim Premji. Now this person is very much keen about children. He adores children very much. Though he is a famous businessman, he is into serious business of working with a company, a software company, doing lot of business and all that. Still, he finds great delight in childhood, in admiring the childhood and the innocence of the children. So there's this article, Dancing in the Rain, is an article which was published in Times of India on November 14th in 2005 on the occasion of Children's Day. You remember November 14th is the day where we celebrate Children's Day, isn't it? So on this special occasion, he gave a beautiful article to the Times of India, and that is what we have got in our prose part. So that's what we are going to have in the introduction. The little bit of brief information if you want to have. Dancing in the Rain deals with the plight of present day children. Young learners find no time to play or recreation. So this particular prose part deals with the plight of children across the country. What kind of stress and hardship the children are going through in the present situation. He compares the children of urban areas with that of the children working as child labor, also the children suffering the poverty. What is the reason? The rich people, they are born with silver spoons, yet are they happy? Why are they compared to those of the poor community and also to that of child labor? What is that similarity? What is the common factor which Hashim Premji has taken to describe about